Imagine your worst enemy trying to ruin your reputation, but instead, they end up destroying their own. That's exactly what happened when a girl at my school tried to frame me in front of everyone. She thought she had it all figured out, until I flipped the script and gave her a taste of her own medicine. Trust me, this is one story you don't want to miss. At my school, there was this girl named Sophie. On the surface, she looked sweet and innocent, the kind of person teachers loved. But behind that fake smile, Sophie was ruthless. She thrived on drama and destroying people's reputations. And unfortunately, her next target was me. It all started when I got picked to lead a big school project. Sophie wanted that role badly, but instead of accepting it gracefully, she decided to make my life miserable. At first, it was small things, spreading whispers, making fake stories about me, and turning friends against me. But then, she planned something much bigger. One day, Sophie created a fake group chat where it looked like I was talking trash about my classmates and even our teachers. Screenshots of that chat started spreading like wildfire. Everyone thought I was the one behind it. Suddenly, people who used to smile at me wouldn't even make eye contact. Even my best friend started questioning me. When I confronted Sophie, she played the innocent card. She acted shocked, pretending to comfort me, all while she was the one pulling the strings. And the worst part, she told the teacher that I wasn't responsible enough to lead the project. I was devastated, but I wasn't about to let Sophie win. Instead of crying about it, I decided to fight back smartly. I remembered something Sophie once bragged about, that she was a genius at editing screenshots. That's when I knew exactly how I'd trap her. I started playing along, acting like I was defeated. I pretended to complain to a couple of classmates that I didn't know how the screenshots got out. And just like I hoped, Sophie couldn't resist bragging. She let it slip that, sometimes, fake proof is more powerful than the truth. I recorded her saying that on my phone. The next day in class, Sophie smugly tried to present her fake evidence again. She was sure I'd be kicked off the project. Everyone was watching. That's when I stood up and calmly said, "Funny thing about proof, it doesn't always prove what you think." I connected my phone to the projector and played the audio recording of Sophie bragging about faking evidence. The room went dead silent. The teacher's jaw dropped. Sophie's face turned pale. Everyone could hear her own voice admitting that she makes fake screenshots to ruin people. Sophie tried to deny it, but it was too late. No one believed her anymore. The teacher gave me back full control of the project, and Sophie was banned from participating in any school events for the semester. The same classmates who doubted me came rushing to apologize. As for Sophie, her perfect reputation crumbled overnight. She became the very thing she accused me of, a liar and a manipulator. People stopped trusting her, and she was left alone, the exact fate she wanted for me. Ending immoral. Looking back, I'm glad I didn't just fight Sophie with anger. I fought her with her own weapon, proof. But this time, the proof wasn't fake, it was the undeniable truth. And here's the lesson: liars might win for a while, but sooner or later, the truth catches up. And when it does, the revenge is sweeter than you could ever imagine. So, what do you think? Did Sophie deserve what she got, or was I too harsh? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more wild revenge stories.